Good morning, welcome to camp. I wonder how many people will guess where this is. I'd say a couple. I'm up the back here. Billy Boy, the tractor, up here with me. It's quite steep, this grade. That tree over there is pretty straight up and down. But I'm just pushing up into here now. I'm going to cut up that tree in small sections so that I can push it out of the road. I'm just trying to get some distance from that citrus tree in the far distance there. And along here you can see where I've been pushing up the rubbish, and here I've got to finish off this, but it's pretty steep. It's about 20 degrees. I'll show you a bit more. This is what lantana does. All these vines on the ground laying around are all lantana vines. It grows very fast and starts off from these vines. Here they grow up, curl up and around, then they go up and up and up and up. This one here is a main vine. That's a main vine there, and they grow fast. And then it just encapsulates a tree like this. This is probably 10 meters, 12 meters high, this tree. And it just kills the trees. I don't know what happens. Possibly the massive leaves of the lantana shade out the leaves of the tree, but the tree's dead. And I'll just take that off 3 foot above the ground. I can't push it over with the tractor, it's too big. But this whole area is totally engulfed in lantana. That'll give you a better idea of what I'm up to. You can see that citrus tree in the distance, and the amphitheatre and the tractor, and right here we have these big trees. There's a scrub wattle there, a big fella, and its branches. There's one there, and where I've been climbing about 6 foot off the ground here at the moment, up on a tree. But I've got to chop up all these branches. The tractor won't push them. It'll push smaller lots, so that's what I'm going to do, get the chainsaw out and go for a bit of a chainsaw. Yep, I'm swinging around. You can see where I've been. Just walked through the pasture, and that tree there is too big to push over. I'll have to chop it off 3 foot off the ground. I'll clear this area up. I'll remove those 3, and there's some bigger ones there that I'll leave. Anyway, thanks for coming along on this short video. I'm making ground slowly. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.